Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Thanks for joining me today. I'm serious about that. Today is day number 6 of eating what I have in the house and what I ate today. Now, today is Saturday, and so this is the 6th in the series, the 6th episode in the series. I will not be filming tomorrow. So I'm going to end it with number 6. It has been a great experience for me. Number 1, really concentrating on what I eat and using what I have to prevent waste and spoilage. That's really important to me. And also just filming every day. Excuse me, that's not something that I normally do. And also, I've been filming with my phone. I usually set up my camera and do it that way. So, excuse me, I gotta have a drink of the coffee. Sometimes I get a frog in my throat, and it's like the old joke, I've got a frog in my throat. It's the first fresh meat I've had all week. Boom, boom, boom. Anyway, I was trying to be serious. But filming every day is quite a task, I can tell you, because it isn't just the filming, it's the editing and trying to keep it as short as possible. That's hard for me. So anyway, but it's been a good experience. And honestly, I just love you guys. I've gotten so many wonderful comments, so much encouragement that it has just really sparked something in me to do better. And we could all do better, right? In every way. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, because it has just been great. Okay, so real quick, day number 6, the soup. Oh my gosh, I ate that big bowl of soup that I did yesterday, and then I still have 2 quarts. So I have enough, and then a little bit more than that. So I've got enough to keep me in soup for several days, and I'm going to give a quart away, which that's awesome. So I am going to have some soup for lunch today, and I think I might have a toasted cheese sandwich. I don't know yet, but maybe. It sounds kind of good because it's kind of chilly out here. And as far as supper goes, that's kind of up in the air. I made my menu out, but I'm not sure quite how to do it. And I got like about this much pasta salad that has to be finished off, so I imagine that'll go with my supper somewhere along the way. I'm just saying. So, and I want to tell you something. There's a thing about when you start using leftovers and you start kind of recreating them sometimes, I want to warn you that you will end up with more food or more leftovers, okay, that you probably need to consume. I'm just warning you about that. It happens. Because it has a way of expanding. I can't really explain it, but it does. So, but isn't that better than throwing it in the garbage? We don't want to throw our stuff away and waste our money. No. So anyway, that's what's going to be today. And so I don't know. Let's see what happens. And I think it's going to be interesting. And I have to tell you, those peanut butter cookie bars that I made yesterday are so awesome. I could hardly keep from eating them. It was really, so you have to try it. It's really was a strain because they're so good. And my little dog likes peanut butter cookies, and she was right there. She was on it, I'm telling you. So, but I can't give her too much of that stuff. She's got stomach issues. So anyway, it was awesome. It was really, really, they're good. They're so good. oh, look at this. When I do this, it takes away my wrinkles. This is how I would look if I didn't have wrinkles and was old as crust, as my sister says. Old as crust. All right. I love you. I want to do a shout out to my sister Kathy. This is the 7th anniversary of her husband's passing. And Ed, we miss you very much. It was a terrible day. And so I love you. She's my baby sister. I love you and always thinking of you. All right? Okay, love you, BLS. And stick with me, you guys. I love you. And let's see what happens today. All right? Okay. Yay, it's lunchtime. I did decide to have a delicious toasted cheese sandwich with some dill pickles, and I've got a nice big mug of that soup that I made yesterday. And I am ready to eat. I've got one chicken breast here that was left in the freezer. I thawed it out, and I was going to make chicken strips for my supper, but I think I'm going to make chicken nuggets because they'll be a little faster to cook. And I'm thinking about probably just making some more of those oven fries that I made the other day. And I may have to finish the rest of that pasta salad. Anyway, I'll see what I can come up with. Should be interesting. I just want to show you this. This is some flour and salt and pepper, but it's also got a dry ranch seasoning mix in it. It doesn't have a whole, excuse me, a whole package. It's just got part of a package. And honestly, this tastes really good. So if you want to try a different kind of breading, put the dry ranch mix in there and see if that might be something you would like. I'm going to do a quick little snack that I made 3 days ago and haven't eaten. It's just an orange sliced up and some celery with peanut butter. I'm going to make some oven French fries. So what I've done is I've actually peeled the potatoes, cut the fries, and put them in ice water in the refrigerator for a while. And this is the best way that I found to do homemade oven French fries. And then I have dried them off, and I'm going to toss them in some oil and bake them at 400 degrees, put some salt on them, bake them at 400 degrees until they're done the way I like them, which is crispy. Here are my chicken nuggets. Now, what I've done, I've cut that chicken breast. I have seasoned it, and I did put some lemon pepper on there too because I thought that might taste good. I floured the chicken nuggets in a bag of flour, salt, pepper mixture, and remember that ranch dry mix. So that's in there as well. And then I let them sit on the cutting board, put them in the refrigerator, and then I dipped them again. So I just put them in the bag and shook them up. So they're actually double coated with flour. I'm going to start the fries earlier, or now, and then I'm going to add the chicken nuggets. But first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little skillet and I'm going to give them a little browning, and then I'm going to move my fries over and I'm going to put the chicken nuggets in the oven. And that's where they will be finished off. All right, there's the supper for this Saturday night. Chicken nuggets. I've got some French fries. I have some ranch dressing to dip my nuggets in. The very, very last of the pasta salad. And I'm having a nice cold glass of soda with my supper, as well as the peanut butter cookie bars for my treat to have with my after dinner coffee. And I did a little experiment for you, and these freeze beautifully. They freeze beautifully. And they still, when they thaw out, they're nice and soft and squishy. All right, listen, I love you guys. You know I do. If I can do it, you can do it. I've really enjoyed bringing you this series, and I hope that you've gained something from it. Thank you so much to all of you who watched this series, and also those who commented. I appreciate your comments so much, and it's given me an opportunity to get to know you a little better, and I really, really appreciate that, okay? All right, I'm going to eat my dinner. I'm going to kick back after a bit with my coffee and peanut butter bars, and I'm going to watch some television. Yep, you heard that. Okay, I love you, and as always, just remember that little is much when God is in it, and I will see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.